Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best portable air conditioner for apartment you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best portable air conditioner on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which portable air conditioner are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Winter ARC14S Portable Air Conditioner. With this new eco-friendly CFC-free, lead-free and high-energy efficiency portable air conditioner, you can stay cool while keeping with better environmental standards and reducing energy consumption. This wintergreen ARC14S portable air conditioner features the eco-friendly CFC-free green R32 refrigerant and RoHS compliant components. This unit features the patented advanced auto drain technology, which uses and recycles moisture collected during the cooling process to produce cool air. The dual hose operation provides fast cooling. Comes with a protective cover with pocket that will protect your portable AC unit plus store your exhaust hose, window kit, remote control and user manual when not in use. This protective cover will keep dust and dirt from collecting on the unit while it is in storage. For details, let's watch more. Our second best portable air conditioner for apartment is Black & Decker BPACT 08WT portable air conditioner. It cools, dehumidifies, and circulates air to stand up to summer heat. Offering immediate, uninterrupted comfort, this portable air conditioner features easy-to-use LED electronic controls and is quiet while you sleep, 75 decibels on high setting. This unit comes with rolling casters and side carrying handles for easy-to-maneuver mobile comfort and everything needed for an effortless installation. Keeps a room, home, bedroom, apartment, dorm or garage that is approximately 100 to 150 square feet. Enjoy a comfortable home climate with this versatile Black & Decker unit. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Costway Portable Air Conditioner. This Costway 8000 BTUs portable air conditioner is ideal for spot cooling. It is equipped with 4 casters that allow for easy movement to the spaces that need chilling. A quick install window kit is included for exhausting the unit through any horizontal or vertical opening window. It is designed with various protection functions such as 24-hour programmable timer, super intelligent temperature sensor and waterfall control and warning and more. The wide range of adjustable temperature can meet all your needs for different occasions. Designed with cooling mode, dehumidifying mode, fan mode and sleep mode, the conditioner can meet your various demands to reach maximum comfort. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Winter Elite Portable Air Conditioner. A key feature of this portable air conditioner is its compact size and dual hose system, which facilitates better space utilization and more efficient cooling. The Winter ARC122DS portable air conditioner is the ideal solution for the warm spots in your home, office, server room or other constrained area. Portable and easy to set up, this portable air conditioner offers cooling relief for any area where excess humidity and heat cannot be remedied by traditional air conditioning. The unit can be easily set up in almost any indoor location and is most commonly used in data closets or server rooms, bedrooms, classrooms and garages or workshops. Its programmable features, operating modes, and adaptable design make this unit the perfect option for keeping rooms up to 400 square feet cool and comfortable. Last in our top 5 best portable air conditioner for apartment is Dyson Portable Air Conditioner. In term of Pure Cool Me HEPA air purifier, Dyson's first personal purifying fan. Delivers a focused stream of purified air to cool you. With fully sealed HEPA filter and activated carbon filter captures 97% of allergens and pollutants, including pollen, bacteria, and pet dander. Allows you to precisely adjust airflow to deliver personal cooling with purified air. Built-in LCD shows airflow level and filter life. It's a low-maintenance, easily changeable filters. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick list for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!